Good morning, viewers. Myself, Melvin Sabu is here to present my Essex major project, high-rise apartments for an educational complex. The site is located in the educational complex at Mainankulam, Calcutta. Now, coming on to the design brief, the aim of the project is to design a multi-story apartment or apartment blocks for staff of Marine Higher Educational Campus. The requirements of this project are for residents 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, studio units and VIP suites. And other requirements are amenities, services and outdoor spaces. For reference, the case studies that I conducted are the Heather Funds for live case study and Borges 3647 apartment buildings for literature case study. Now, coming to the concept and form development. So I introduced the bonding of spaces or interlocking of spaces in both plans and form of the building. It is introduced in order to provide a stable and steady form. Each spaces or rooms resembles a brick masonry. Each rooms are arranged in such a way that each spaces or rooms are interconnected or moved. The number of rooms decreases when moving onto the top, which provides a stabilized form. The building is oriented in the northwest direction. It is arranged in such a way that the rooms receive adequate ventilation because the wind direction is from the west. The rooms also doesn't receive direct sun rays, which can increase the heat in the rooms as the sun rays are from the south direction. Now, coming on to the area programming and zone. The area of each spaces are taken according to the standards and the reference case studies, along with a proximity chart. For the zoning, the spaces are arranged according to the user group. The ground floor are zoned with amenities. The first 4 floors are arranged with 1 BHK, 2 BHK and studio units. The 5th and 6th floors are arranged with 2 BHK and 3 BHK units. The 7th floor is arranged with 3 BHK and the 8th floor is arranged with VIP suites. The roof is arranged with service and multipurpose zone. Now coming to the site layout. The main vehicular and pedestrian entry to the site is from the south of the building, which leads to the drop-off area and parking area at the basement. The site is arranged with various landscaping areas, and various amenities are also provided at the ground floor for the residents and the visitors. The site is inside an educational complex, so most of the surroundings are educational buildings. The rear side of the site is an residential area. Now, coming to the ground floor. The ground floor is arranged with amenities for both visitors and the residences. The spaces which produce a lot of sound are arranged in the northwest side, like a gym, indoor areas, kids play area and the court. And the spaces which require a quiet ambience are arranged in the northeastern side, like the library and the prayer hall. Now coming to the basement. The basement is provided for vehicular parking. The number of parking is provided according to the standards. The services like fire room, generator room, etc. are provided at the basement. Now coming on to the floor plans. The first and third floor plans have same layout. The second and fourth floor plans have same layout. And these floor plans are alternately placed on one another. These units are placed in this arrangement because of the user group number. And the major ventilation and lighting is through the balcony in all the floors. Next, coming to the 5th and 6th floor. These floors contain 2 BHK and 3 BHK units each. Each rooms or spaces inside the units are interconnected. Here also, the major ventilation and lighting is through the balcony in both floors. Now coming to the 7th and 8th floor. The 7th floor are arranged with 3 BHK and the 8th floor are arranged with VIP suites. These are provided here because of the view from each unit. Here also the major ventilation and lighting is through the balcony. Next is the terrace and roof plan. It is arranged with multi-purpose hall and a service block which contain the water tanks and other service equipments. Now coming to the sections. The sections are cut through the staircases. The basement is of height 360 meter from the ground and the ground floor is 510 meter high and each floor plans are 560 meter high. Now coming on to elevation. In this elevation, it is from the southwest side or the view from the room. In this context, the context surrounding the sites along with views from 4 different sites are shown. Now coming on to the service drawings, the electrical and plumbing drawings are depicted. The key plan depicts the direct lines for telecommunication and electrical main lines from the duct. The plumbing ducts are placed at the toilets and the pipes are connected directly to it. Now coming to the special drawing, the topic that I have chosen is the interlocking or bonding of outdoor spaces. The outdoor spaces are focused on the northwest, front and rear side of the site. Each sides are provided with seating with proper shade from the trees and the buildings. All the exits from the building is leading to the outdoor spaces and all the spaces are connected through pathways. And ponds are also provided at the center of the seatings at each landscaping pieces. Next, these are the various views from the site. Thank you.